Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Erica Javier Yu, a mother and a skincare junkie. So for today guys, I will be sharing with you on how am I using the Aztec clay mask. So this Aztec Indian clay mask is actually a powerful clay mask. So for this one, this is not the first time that I'll be using this. I'll be using it with an apple cider vinegar. So for those who have sensitive skin, please do a patch test. So because this is an acid, you need to make sure that you are not allergic to it. So because we have all different skin types, it may or may not work for you guys. So if you have a sensitive skin, I suggest also to use water first. So you can actually use water. And before that, I will also be using a chemical exfoliant, which is the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. So these two are really a good combination to remove those blackheads on your nose, on your cheek, or all over your face. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. how did the Aztec Indian clay mask, or what did the, you will see guys, what did the Indian Aztec clay mask did to my skin. Enjoy the rest of the video. Sit back, relax. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like,